It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. It comes with great features you love: twin-turbo V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, AM/FM stereo radio, smartphone wireless charging, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and easy lift and lower tailgate. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.